Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a problem where if you have a TypeScript code and you use uh, Visual Studio Code auto formatting, then it replaces single quote with double quote automatically. So let me demo the problem first and then we'll go to the solution. All right. So this is an unformatted TypeScript code and let's type uh, Alt Shift F. Okay, so you can see this code is quite formatted now, but these single quote here are automatically replaced with double quotes. Now how to let's understand what is the problem. See, so here Visual Studio Code is trying to help you by suggesting the proper quotations. All right. So but it conflicts with your TypeScript. So if you are programming in TypeScript, you may not want to replace this single quote with double quotes automatically. So what's the solution? Just tell the VS Code that don't do that. Okay, now how to tell VS Code to stop replacing single quote with double quotes? Just open command palette with Control Shift P if you are on Windows, Command Shift P if you are on Mac. Then type open user settings. All right, and here choose this option with JSON. Okay, and this code was commented here because I typed it here for you, but you might not find this uh, uh, key and value in your JSON. If you find, just update the value to true. If the value is not there, just type this at the end of the JSON and then save it. Now let's do Control Z here. All right, and now try to format your code. Alt Shift F. Now say the code is formatted, but the single quotes are still there. Friends, if you like this video, if this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button, that helps to grow on YouTube. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.